Good evening, viewers. Myself is N. Sao, a retired teacher. After working about 3 decades in St. Joseph Convent High School, Musabani, as PGT Commerce teaching both standard 11 and 12, Commerce and Accountancy, I today give you some tips from my experience. Those who are mainly the examinees of 2021, both standard 12 commerce, mainly on commerce of ISC, and commercial studies of ICSC, and business studies of CBSE, because CBSE, ISC have more or less same syllabus. Questioning may be little different in both, but the answer pattern is same. So here, firstly, when you are going to prepare for the examination, when you are taking on a chapter to prepare, first thing you do, take a pencil in your hand and first match with the syllabus and the topics of the chapter which are in your portion, because all the topics may not be in your portion. So first you tick those with a pencil, then you make an intensive and very attentive reading of each of the topics in your portion. While reading, you must underline those words which you understand is explaining the topic or explaining the point of the topic, which are so-called keywords, scoring words. Then after finishing the reading of the chapter, you write down the questions which are relevant to your syllabus. Then while writing the answer of the questions, you write in copy. They never prepare for board from the book. First you write the answer in copy and then you prepare for examination from the written answer of your copy. Then while writing the answer, those words which you have already marked there in the book, you just write down on a page those words of the chapter, and each of the question you take on and see the words relevant to that answer of the question, and those words you write systematically with the points. Then that will be a prepared answer with the words. Never write lengthy answers, to the point with keywords. For long answer type question, nowadays 1 mark, 1 point. Suppose it is a question of 5 marks, so 5 points, 4 marks, then 4 points. If points are given, then half for point, half for explanation, and in that explanation there will be 2 words for half marks. So in that for writing 2 words, you have to write in 1 sentence, rarely 2 sentences, if you cannot adjust those 2 words or 2 group of words to explain the point, not more than that, for half mark. And where there are no points, only statements are given in answer in your book, and if you can form point, that is good. If you cannot, then write the statement for 1 mark, 1 sentence, 2 words, explaining your concept, explaining your view concerning to the question, not more than that. And while writing the answer of a definition, when you are writing the definition, in case of definition, that might be a short answer question or a long answer question. Definition has a limitation. When you write definition for 2 marks, then 4 words or 4 group of words must be there for 2 marks. Half plus half plus half plus half. Suppose you forget 3 words you have written. As per policy, one is missing, so you will get 0, because in definition it must be complete, otherwise you cannot get marks. But generally examiners are very much lenient, because I was also an examiner of commerce, ISC commerce for many years. We generally, when you have written 3 words, so we give 2 marks. Okay, 1 word is missing, just for goes to the student, by benefit of the student. But if you write 2 words where 4 are required, you will get 0. But if a definition is asked for 1 mark, then you have to write 2 words only, and in that case you have to write 2 words. If you miss 1 word you have written, you will get 0. In definition, that is the risk. Either you will get full marks or you get 0. I cannot give, by examiner cannot give you 1 mark for half correct of definition. Definition is the risky answer. Either you will get full or you will get 0. So that is to be very strictly followed in definition. 2 words for 1 mark, 4 words for 2 marks. Then you go to the short answer type question and long answer type question. In case of short answer type question, if points you are going to write, points are given in answer, then you write only the name of point. That will give you 1 mark. Suppose 2 importance of business environment is asked. Then 2 importance, only write the point name if points are given. If points are not there, then you write sentences are there, then you write 1 sentence, 2 words, complete. If you can write in 1, but in short answer type, not more than 1 sentence. In long answer type, you can write 2 sentences for 2 words, but in short answer type, it is expected 1 sentence, 2 words, because examiners have limited time. They want to see the words, then they will give you marks and go ahead. They have to complete. And if you write the answer lengthy, that is very much irritating for the examiner. You stretching the answer, as it is long answer, so you stretch it, write unnecessary words, not allowed. It is very much irritating. That will go to your disadvantage. That is at your self-killing of time, and you cannot complete the paper. So don't write lengthy answer, write to the point with scoring words. For commerce, I am telling. And when you are going to write the answer of long answer question, answer of long answer type question, if point is given, then a point you write, and then 2 words with explanation for half mark, because 1 point 1 mark. That is, I am repeating this one. 1 mark, half for point, half for explanation, 2 words in explanation. If no points are given, then 1 sentence with 2 words, not more than that. You have to compile the answer in that way. So what I told is stepwise. First you read with pencil in hand, and then try to read those, try to remember those, if what I told, and follow this. You can very well write the answer, compact, comprehensive. Nowadays answer to be very much contracted, not expanded. Try to write contracted answer, short, to the point, and with words. Unnecessary words must not be there. I will give you some explanation, some examples how to write the answer of the questions. I will give in my next video. I will give some answers, pattern of answer, how to write of the any one chapter. I will take on and give some questions and its answer with words. And then next I will say about the answer framing of accountancy, and then what are the important chapters, what should be the probable questions in commerce and accountancy. I will tell you, especially for ISC examination and ICSC 10th commerce economics. I will give you mainly important questions for next examination. One by one, chapter wise, I will give later. Thank you.